Alright guys, yep, I'm working again on a Saturday. We had to move a bunch of parts to the second shop. This is all the cars we're going to be assembling there. Yeah, buddy. And then the two Trans Am seats. So that's what we did today. It's hot out. I'm still not feeling 150% because I was breathing in that damn the clear coat from the paint, and apparently I'm allergic to it, so I feel like death warmed over right now. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and we will see you guys later.